cut his arm. And his leg.
Give me that leg.
Right there. Yeah.
Meow.
Oh, it's a car.
Help me, please.
No. Austin, I found us a car!
Dude!
You drive. Okay.
Please.
Hey! Please, my husband.
Fine.
Bleeding.
Sir,
Can
do
you
you
help
have...
us?
Sure thing. Where is he?
Let's open this up.
This is my wife, Jess. We were driving
Alright,
like a bat out of hell when I saw that broke down car.
Step aside, Austin.
Forget about
I
it.
know what to do.
But I couldn't.
I
do
said
that
move!
myself, so we stopped.
He's talking to me.
The driver must have been in shock or something because he threw himself at us like a crazy guy. Kill him. But this was
wooden
self-defense.
plank.
I was protecting
Sweet.
myself. You gotta believe me. But you know what? He took a bite out of me, man.
I believe you,
Shit.
man.
I think I got whatever he had. Rabies, I don't know.
Stand back,
Fuck.
Austin.
Who the
I'll
hell
take care of
knows?
him.
But can you get Jess out of here? If I start to lose it, I don't want to bloody hurt her.
Should I press start now, or should I
Yeah,
just let
start
you
now.
in? Alright.
I'm not doing anything.
Thanks. Should take her to the lighthouse. My brother James should be there. He'll take her in.
Should we kill him?
Stand back, Austin. I'll take care of it. You can come out here. I don't think we
Oh.
can kill him. He's invincible. Come on.
Well, I mean...
Good
ooh,
thing we
lemon
got this
juice.
sweet car.
Is this a follower mission? We gotta...
Well, duh, we gotta take her to the lighthouse.
Oh, wait, she's moving. Stop moving. Oh, what? Okay.
How'd she do
I
that?
so got in the left side and was like, alright.
Yeah, I did that earlier.
Right.
Alright, it's time to go. There was a sign in the way.
This would be a good time to have a gun.
We're going super speed. Uh oh.
I can't. I got my
Good
fist.
thing. You're in safe hands, Jessica.
I can't even turn around.
Who else?
Safe hands, Jessica.
I don't even know if I've been saved. I'm just holding on with my
I
cheeks
think we
back
got a
here.
live one. Hey,
Ah,
up here.
Up
give me a
here.
second.
Bonk. Got some strong defenses, my good sir.
We've made it. You're safe now, Jessica.
There are people
Can't be.
living in the lighthouse.
I can't believe you're alive. When we left Cinnamore, you looked like Jesus. Anyway, you better go see to James. I'm sure he'll be surprised as hell to see you still alive and kicking.
Thank you.
Follow
Gun.
me, I'll
No
take you to James.
problem.
Can you check on my
I'm sure he'll be
husband?
glad to see you still
I
alive.
just keep getting better.
James
You guys
will
have
wanna
nothing
talk
I
to you first. He's in the back there. You should go talk to him.
Austin, we gotta go check up on her husband.
You got a husband?
No, Jessica's husband. Where is it? We gotta go murk him. Yeah, we'll do that later.
Alcohol.
James will probably want to talk to you first. James is at the top of the lighthouse. Go
Alright.
see him.
Talk to James first. Look, he's the one in charge.
Well, how do I get to?
You have to climb the tower,
Holy
AJ.
shit, you're alive?
Yep. Get that a lot.
Whoa, that's a magic door.
I'm James. You don't know me, but I sure remember you.
Everybody
Me and
knows
Cinemoy
this.
had a slight difference of opinion. He wanted to stay put and wait for help. I wanted to get the hell out of there. So I got the hell out. Now,
man of his
we're working
word.
on setting up the lighthouse to signal for assistance.
I shouldn't have picked that
We
up.
sure could use your help.
I'm gonna help everyone.
Yes.
Now, if you want to get off this island with the rest of us, go talk to my people. See what you can do to help, okay?
Okay. What do you
Her
want?
name's Linda. She got beat up pretty bad out there. I don't even know how she managed to make it here. Probably made it on sheer adrenaline. She needs painkillers and bandages. Can you...
I'll see what I can do.
Ain't no female in this whole world got, like, I don't know, shorts? Everybody's in a bikini.
What the hell?
What is it? Dark. Have you tried flipping this red switch?
What's going on over here?
We followed James to this lighthouse so we
Fatal
could send out an
error. Please
SOS
restart
signal
your
using the lamp.
computer.
But there's something wrong with the power.
Danny, we
Marcus
gotta
went to
restart
check.
this computer.
Shut up! I'm listening. Find Marcus and fix the transform.
I'll try.
But we gotta fight the Decepticons for this one.
Wait, how's the power on? Didn't you just say the power is up?
Well, we gotta go fight Megatron.
Alright, I got a metal pipe. Where's
Megatron
the-
won't know what hit him.
Where
Where's
the...
the crafting station? Man, everybody needs us today. Javier, you got a gun? Or some
Whoa,
wires?
don't be sneaking up on people. I could have
No.
blown your bloody head off.
Just like that, Austin.
Just like, can I stand here?
Business here.
Alright, let's go. This man is really like, oh, you know, when the zombies stop killing people, you know, I'll be nice and tight with my money. Sir, this is a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, okay.
Banoi Holiday Resort. That is a very dead man.
I hit that bus.
Stop! She was unaffected by the bumper.
Anybody else?
Wait. Let's make a quick stop.
Oh, I somehow got in the passenger seat. Mr. Husbando Man, are you here? Oh, he dead. Alright, I'll check this. A lighter.
Alright.
Oh, $12. Man, this
What's
zombie
taking so
virus-
long? This man's
I've-
beating up my car.
Are they? Oh. Ah! Oh, fine. Right? Back.
Watch out!
You did this to yourself?
Alright. Trouble. Like that.
Alright.
I did it!
There's a lot of stuff over here. Come on, somebody have wires. Nobody's just got random copper wires in their backpack? How'd you get in there? Oh wait, you ran around.
Oh no, this guy's strong. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm safe in here. The monsters can't get me.
I think that's wrong. Hey, there's a dead woman in here, I think. Or sleeping?
Definitely dead. Nobody sleeps in the zombie apocalypse.
I guess not.
I feel dizzy and a little nauseous. My heart is pounding, please. I haven't had anything to drink for quite a while.
You say you
If
haven't
you
had
bring me
anything to
some
drink?
water.
I just water.
Yes.
You
What if
find
I
anything?
already
Oh,
had
thank
the
God.
water?
Thank
She's
you.
literally surrounded by drinks. Like, there's
Oh, thank
3
God.
energy drinks in the room.
Okay.
Hey, woman.
I'm Annie, and I'm looking for my teddy bear. I can't
Annie?
fall asleep without him, and I'm very tired.
Oh, you're
and
one
those
of them
monsters keep
stupid
knocking.
people, huh?
Will you
Yeah,
find
right?
Yes.
The last time I saw him, he was in our bungalow, number 15, where I live with my sister Jenny.
You look straight live here?
His name is Teddy. Tell him Annie sent you, and I'm sure he'll go with you. He's a brave teddy bear.
Better be a real bear.
That'd be awesome if it was just a grizzly bear.
That'd be like cheeseburger.
Oh, thank God. Thank you.
I gave her water. What did she give me? Oh, $70.
What the heck's going on over here?
Straight posted.
What is he banging on?
I'll, I found wires. I need to build my super bat now.
Alright.
Use this rusty pipe until I can build my super pipe. My super duper.
Oh, I did not have.
It's high. Oh no.
Equip it. This one. Alright, I got my baseball bat here.
Come on!
I'm ulting!
What is your ult? Pull out a katana?
I just stab everyone with my knife.
Name's Marcus.
Keistered katana.
Oh, hey,
I was
Marcus.
fixing this piece of shit when these things came out of nowhere.
Hey, I'm sure
See
it's
if you can get
okay.
that other transformer back online while I finish fixing this one.
Oh, man.
Go!
I gotta find another Decepticon.
I mean, maybe it's a good guy, like Optimus Prime.
Could be. Could be.
So it's like a bunch of weapons and just quit the bullshit. Go! Yo, 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 yo. Excuse me, sir. Hiya!
Yeah! Oh no!
I'm coming! Ooh. I'm coming. I think they're coming.
Get out of here.
Uh-oh. They didn't like that. They didn't like that.
You got this.
Of
See,
course
you had it in you the whole time.
Well, I thought there'd be more, but I guess not.
What's this?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, why'd they wait?
You'll be fine.
I'm bringing them to you.
Why would you do that? It's kind of messed up, dude.
I'm low on health.
Kind of messed up, dude. Oh god, you're getting jumped.
I'm getting rocket soccer.
I'm also getting one more combo.
Stay down!
Alright.
Did you go rage mode for that?
Nope.
Oh, okay. I thought you had sicko
Yeah,
mode knife.
All right, everything works. Go tell Darwin the good news.
Darwin!
I'll stay here
Who are
just in
these
case
people?
the fuses blow when you start pulling power for the lighthouse.
Oh, I think he's in the lighthouse.
This is for you. Thanks for the help.
Hey, you still got Maggie and the others?
The world's gone fucking mad. The world's
Yeah.
gone fucking mad.
Yeah?
Yeah. I need to repair my weapons and make the ultra weapon. Oh wait, no, I still don't have a metal blade. I don't think. Oh, hey, a circular blade. Alright, I have everything I need to make the ultra weapon.
Yo,
The
gross.
weapon just... Pineapple juice! Oh, they were all...
I have made a mistake! What kind of pineapple juice do you drink?
I don't know, my thought was actually like cranberry juice, but I don't know why I said pineapple juice.
That's gross, man.
You're gross. What's this? Water? Double water?
This weapon is beginning to fail!
No.
Bonked him to death. Not dead.
Ooh.
I bonked his head off.
Pull this toaster off me!
Call him a toaster? That person's on the wall.
She's drowning. She's becoming a drown.
Ah,
That paddle went to heaven.
just like her.
Duct tape.
All my weapons are broken. Right.
The knife's about
What's
to
going
break.
on in here? Dead? Ah, she's doing that thing where she played dead. Oh, my
Eagle
weapons.
kitchen.
Yeah.
The door is already open.
It is now. Hey, Luke.
Please. You gotta take this insulin to my brother, Danny. He needs it. He's in bungalow 14. Please.
Yeah, maybe.
Sorry, no.
No. Why?
And then
I
he
don't have much
dies.
time. Please.
Yes, yes.
I have other
God
things
dang
I
it.
must do.
Please.
I'll try.
Alright, come on, we'll try our best.
Yeah, it's Luke's brother, Danny. Danny, come on.
Alright, well, let's get a move on. Got a lot of quests to do.
So much to do, so much to see. So
Shut
what's
up.
wrong with kid? Huh?
Austin killed himself that day.
More lemon juice. Epic. Hey, dang, you want lemon juice?
No, I'm good.
Don't want. I got alcohol.
No, I'm good.
You mix the alcohol with your lemon juice.
No, I'm good. This guy's just watching you. Ah,
A box.
cut his head off.
I found some heavy brass knuckles.
Dead and done!
Oh, they require level 5.
Zombie's an idiot. He just had to open the door.
Silly nerd.
Nah, person.
You need to hurry.
It's Danny.
Wait, you're not my brother?
Clearly.
He must have
As
sent
I
you,
am
right?
a woman.
Wow.
Wait, I need to get in there.
It's too late, Austin.
Is he dead?
No, I was just gonna kick you out, but you're just way over there.
Well, oh, you're in the next one. I was gonna grab this gas can. Thought you were. First try.
I'm in pain.
Uh-oh.
Look at these zombies.
Talk him, talk him!
These zombies hurt.
I just wanted to check on the other Danny.
Where are we supposed to go?
I don't know.
We gotta go back and help Mike and Dominic.
I need to upgrade my weapons.
God. There's a bat.
Yeah?
Did I say, hey, Austin? I
You
said,
said
this
there's-
bat!
Well, what are you talking about a bat for?
Because I used the bat to fight the zombie.
Die already!
I'm gonna fight you.
Just car part.
Alright. I missed.
I'm going to die.
I just offered to bury the zombie.
Watch yourself!
Get wrecked.
Died. He died. I killed him. Got a gun in here? Oh, it requires lock picking.
You're supposed to grab something?
No.
Oh, there it is. It was showing up. Hi.
We did it, Patrick. We saved the city. Where are we going?
Home.
Home.
We're here.
Oh yeah, he's still trying to fix that truck.